Really appreciate it. Appreciate that, Liam. Liam, appreciate it, boss. For go ahead and get on there and subscribing to the YouTube, man. Yeah, it take 2 hours. 2 hours. That's fire. That's how we do. We gotta work hard out here. Hit that like. We had 7K. 7K likes. Get it to 10K. 10K on TikTok, man. 10K. 10K. There you go. Come on. Let's go ahead and get it, us. We doing our thing out here. We got 15 seconds. We gonna go again and do another set. Hey Taj, give me that salute. I appreciate you. You know I love you. You know I love you, Taj. That's the moderator over there on YouTube. If you can, go to YouTube, go to Calisthenics Workout Complex. Everybody go over there and give that salute to Taj. Get that salute to Taj over there on Calisthenics Workout Complex. Everybody hit a salute that she's my moderator on YouTube. Get that salute to her. She's doing her thing today. Let's go ahead and run again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look good, look good. Strong, strong. You got to be able to listen. When it comes to legs take a lot of reps. You want to build as much reps as you can because it helps with that chamber on your body. The two biggest muscles on your body, or groups, are your legs and your back. So primarily, whenever I do a calisthenics workout, I add some sort of leg variation. Pistol squats, lunges, body weight squats. One of them to incorporate into my workout because it does at the same time is brings in more cardio, it makes them stronger, and it helps build that testosterone from the nutsack all the way up through the body. No diddy, but that's what it does. Legs, what they do is it helps produce testosterone, makes you stronger. That's how I be able to grow enough muscle. Usually, if a man can't grow enough muscle in their body, that means the testosterone is low. That's just how it is. We keep it real over here, man. We grown men out here. If you don't understand the truth, then read a book. I'm just giving you in layman terms instead of going through the encyclopedia and learning from that weird dude that's teaching it. Kind of a little bit of bro science, but it's true. Hit that like. Let's go and get another set in. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Hit that like. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look good. Look good. Look good. On a minute every minute. On a minute every day. Hey, yo, Alex. I'm gonna start selling this soon. It's a prototype. Go ahead and follow. Eventually, I'm gonna go ahead and start selling these soon. I will do soon though. Appreciate it, Alex. Make sure you follow, and you'll know when it pops up. Kenny, appreciate you for following, boss. Kenny, appreciate the follow. Means a lot. Real talk. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, okay, okay. I like that. Appreciate the follow, Alex, for following. Really appreciate it. Hey, yo, Jacob. Hey, Jacoby. Appreciate you for following. How can I achieve muscle up? Hey, yo, Dexter. If you want to achieve the muscle up, go to my YouTube channel, Calisthenics Workout Complex. I have plenty of tutorials.